Chapter 6. Email. Email or electronic mail is the process of electronically exchanging digital messages, that is, sending and receiving text messages, attachment, images and photographs or documents via internet free of cost. It allows us to connect to various people online and exchanges messages with friends who are connected online via internet from anywhere in the world. It is user-friendly method, just requires few steps to follow and has many advantages over snail mail. The first email message was sent in 1971 by an engineer named Ray Tomlinson. Advantages of email over snail mail. Snail mail means sending your message to other person through postcard via post office, wherein email means sending the messages through the web to another person. Using the email has much more advantages than snail mail, as email is fast, inexpensive, free and convenient to use. When sending an email, you must follow some basic rules that apply to regular postal mail. You need to have an address, a message, perhaps an attachment, but no envelope or stamps. Your email message can be sent to one person or thousands of people on just the click of a mouse, and your message will be sent and received in a matter of minutes or even seconds. After reading your email, you can save it, forward it to others, or delete it. If you want copies, you can even print your email messages. Let's summarize this information and look at the table to clearly understand the difference between two methods. Snail mail. Email. To receive emails, we need an email account on server of any email service provider and email address and contacts of other people or friends whom you want to send messages. Let's study about email address and how to create an email account and use it to send instant messages. Email address. Similar to web pages, all email accounts have unique addresses indicating which computer to send mail to. For email, an address usually has two parts: your user ID, usually your name, and the identity of your domain name. Email service, that is, these two parts are separated by the symbol @ The following email address demonstrates these parts. Rachna Sagar at hotmail.com. Rachna Sagar. This is called user ID and is used when you sign in to your email service. @ This is an @ sign. It separates the person's name from the name of the email service they are using. Hotmail.com. This indicates which email service you are using and its location on the web. This address is for Hotmail's free email service. The above email address would be said like rachnasagar at hotmail.com. Setting up an email account. Nowadays, working with electronic mail has gained so much of popularity that having an own account is a must. So, to make your own account, follow these steps. We will learn to create account on Gmail website, as it has totally free email service run by Google that lets you send and receive email from any computer that is connected to the internet. Go to http://www.gmail.com. Click on Create an account. You will see a form where you need to provide certain information for creating your account on Gmail. Click on button I accept create my account. A screen would be shown as given confirming that you have successfully created your account on Gmail. Then, the Gmail working area appears when you click on Show me my account. Sending and receiving email. Just like regular mail, you can either send or receive email. In Gmail, sending a message is done through the Compose Mail option. Messages that have been sent to you are stored in your inbox. Sending an email. Click on Compose Mail in the Gmail menu bar. This will bring up a screen to write mail. In the line marked To, type in the person's email address that you want to send a message to. Be careful to spell the address right and use the right lower and uppercase letters. The option CC: is used when you want to send an exact copy of a message to other people. Simply enter the email addresses of the other people you want to send a copy of your message to in this line. The option Add BCC is used when you want to send an exact copy of a message to other people. In the subject line, type something that describes what your message is about. The subject will be shown in the recipient inbox, making it easier for them to sort through their emails. In the blank area, type your message. There is no limit to how much you can type in this space. When you have written your message, press the send button and your message will instantly be delivered. Receiving email. Click on Inbox in the Hotmail menu bars. This will open up a screen with the mails received. Click on Required Mail to read it. Replying, forwarding and deleting email. Once you have read a message, there are a number of options Gmail gives you to make communicating more efficient. Reply. This option automatically opens a new message that is addressed to the person who sent you the message. In the body of the new message, there will also be a copy of the message you are replying to. Forward. This option lets you send to other people an exact copy of a message that was sent to you. Delete. This option erases messages that you have marked with a check mark from your inbox. Email attachments. Email gives you the ability to send or attach any kind of file to a message. For example, you can attach a Word file to your message. This is very useful for exchanging files between people over long or short distances. In the past, you may have had to send a disk through the mail, which could have taken a couple of weeks. Now it's almost instant. Attaching a file to an email. Click the Attach a File button as shown above. A window will appear that will let you select a file from your computer. Click the Open button to attach the file to your mail. Send your message. Bounced message. A returned can't deliver email message, incorrect address, invalid address, server problems can end up in bounced message. Opening email attachments. When you receive an email with an attachment in Gmail, the message will have an attachment symbol. Simply click on the attachments file name and you will be taken to a new screen where you will be asked to download the file to your computer. Click on the download button to save the file to your own computer. Gmail also scans the file for viruses. Netiquette. Netiquette or net etiquette refers to etiquette on the internet, which are conduct found online and is used by general public for chatting, emailing, etc. Good netiquette involves respecting others' privacy and not doing anything online that will annoy or frustrate other people. Netiquettes are also known as emotions. Emoticons, sometimes referred to as smileys, are keyboard symbols help convey the tone or emotion of an online message.